Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a cinematic video using Kling AI. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then on the search bar, search for klingai.com. After that, if you are not logged in, make sure that you sign up right here that you will see in this part right here. And then once you have signed up, the next thing that we need to do is that go here on this page right here. So once you log in, you will be redirected in this page. And then the next thing that we need to do is to ask Kling AI to create us a cinematic image that we will convert later to video. So as you can see right here, here's the AI images. All we have to do is to click this one. And then after that, you will be redirected right here on this part. And then on this prompt on the left screen, you will see the prompt box. Then all we have to do is to describe what kind of cinematic video we will be making. So let's say for example that we will be making a cinematic Spider-Man right there. And then after that, you can put whatever kind of prompt that you want, but I will just use this as our example. And then you can also upload the image for reference if you want to, but I will just leave it as it is. And then make sure that you click the ratio of 16:9 for the settings. And then after that, click generate. And then after that, let's wait for it to finish. And then it will now be automatically generated. And once that it is done, as you can see, we have here 4 options that we can use. So you can choose which one you would like right here. So I will just use this one. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is to click this download button and then click this one. So let's wait for this to finish, and then it will automatically download it into your desktop right there. And then once it is downloaded, the next thing that we need to do is to click this 3 horizontal line on the top left corner and then click back to dashboard. After that, go here. Once we see the AI videos, just click this one right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click image to video. So once you click that, you can click or drag images right there, but you can also choose the prompt. So I will just click this one right here, and then I'm going to choose the image that we have downloaded earlier, which is right here. And then once it is now right here, the next thing that we need to do is to click prompt. So if it is also optional if you want to do it, but I will just leave it as it is. And then you can also have a motion brush, the settings if you want to edit it, but this one requires a premium version of Kling AI, and then also for the camera movement. And then after that, once it is downloaded, the next thing that we will do is to click the generate button right here. And then once you click generate, this is what it will look like. So as you can see right here, my videos are currently generating. So all you have to do is to wait it. And then after that, once Kling AI have created your AI video, all you have to do is to download it. And then after that, you are now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.